First, we power on the machine by pressing this button. And then on the screen, the system starts. And when it's finished starting, it will ask you whether to home all the axes. Here we choose all axes home and press the OK button. Then the machine starts to move to the bottom left corner and the Z to the top. Here you can see that in case the spindle 1 and spindle 2 at different Z height, here we need to disable the spindle 1 and keep the spindle 2 on, and then we do the home again. Then we can use the X minus and plus button to move the spindle 2. And then we I make it to the OK. I can use the X plus and X minus button to move the spindle 2, and I can use the ruler to measure the distance between these two engraving points. Once I've made it exactly what I want, then I can enable spindle 1. And I can move them together. And together. Okay, now the two spindles are at the same Z height level. And now we can find the start point, also called the origin point, to start our work. Now we can see we've set the spindle 1 to the right top surface of our workpiece, and now we can set this to the start point of the spindle 1. But here now we can see that the spindle 2, it still has a distance between the 2 and the workpiece, so we need to now disable the spindle 1 and keep the spindle 2 activated. And then we move the spindle 2 to the top surface of the workpiece. So now we can see both spindle 2 and the spindle 1 are at the right position. Now we can set the Z origin level by pressing the Z to 0 button. Okay. 好了。